And 45 wins, 93 podiums, 2,279 World Championship points, 47 pole positions. Can he drive round Trafalgar Square?
Well, my money says he certainly can. And, well, there's something special about a Ferrari taking to a road or a track, and look at him go. Fantastic acceleration as he heads down to the roundabout here, just behind our commentary booth.
Yeah, there he goes. What a wonderful sight. Look at that shot. Tremendous turnout here this evening. People getting to find out about the event, and pretty much all of the grids here, and pretty much all of the cars and teams too. It's a spectacular opening, and look at those rear tyres lighting up. You can tell that Sebastian Vettel doesn't pay for Ferrari's tyres as he spreads them around the London roads and heads once again down to Trafalgar Square. Go on, Seb. See if you can drift it all the way around there.
Can you see the flower pots there, Martin? Do you recognise any of that?
No. Have you been stuck in an Uber there or something?
Indeed. Well, Sebastian, that was a very nice control turn at the end of that particular run. He definitely wins the award for turning in comparison to Lance.
He's getting the hang of it. Yeah, he's definitely getting the hang of it.